And Tower 75 Charlie Delta checking in 3,000, 4.5 from Crest on the island.
Here is 75 Charlie Delta, Riverside Tower, altimeter 3017, wind 350 at 5. Runway 1 left, clear to land, and you probably in less than a half mile start entering some moderate precipitation. It'll last pretty much all the way through the field. Consequently, the visibility is down to about a mile or maybe just under that.
75 Charlie Delta, roger, we'll be aware. Geez, 200 to go, still don't have it. Still don't have it. It's getting close. 100 feet to go. It's getting close. Got the run. Nope, that's not the runway.
Minimums.
Riverside Tower, good morning. Seminole 268 Delta Alpha is with you, establishing an ILS runway 1 left, full stop.
Seminole 268 Delta Alpha, Riverside Tower, altimeter 30.